Number 1. Waterfall. The waterfall was beautiful. Waterfall. Number 2. Basketball. I love to play my brother in basketball. Number 3. Baseball. The Nationals are a very good baseball team. Number 4. Snowball. Please don't throw a snowball at me. Snowball. Number 5. Falling. Raindrops were falling on my head. Falling. Number 6. Hallway. We walk in a straight line in the hallway. Hallway. Number 7. Smaller. You should look out for children that are smaller than you. Smaller. Number 8. Rainfall. We are expected to get quite a bit of rainfall this week. Rainfall. Number 9. Called. My uncle called to wish me a happy birthday. Called. Number 10. Downfall. It will be my downfall if I lose this game. Downfall. Every good speller always checks their work, so let's review the words. Number 1, waterfall. Number 2, basketball. 3, baseball. 4, snowball. 5, falling. 6, hallway. 7, smaller. 8, rainfall. 9, called. And 10, downfall. Go ahead and submit your test.